So what is up guys, welcome to HD Tech YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be giving you the first official look. Okay, literally it's kind of an official look of the iPhone 9. There are minor design changes and in today's video I'm going to be discussing like everything you need to know about the upcoming iPhone 9. Okay, it is going to be called as the iPhone 9 and guys, today's video is going to be very interesting. So if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem or smartphone world, then consider subscribing to our channel as it motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, first of all, now let me discuss regarding the overall design and how this smartphone is going to be. So guys, again I have discussed in my earlier videos that this upcoming iPhone 9 is going to be a refresh of the iPhone 8. Okay, it is going to be just an internal upgrade as I have said, but there are few external upgrades. So let me conclude. The first external upgrade is like everybody was thinking that this iPhone is going to be coming with a matte back option like the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. But that is not the case with this iPhone 9. You're going to be getting a glossy finish. Okay, there are few cut-offs, or you can say there are few cost-cutting factors that Apple needs to implement, and this is one of that. So now let me come to the second factor, and that is the display. Well, the display is going to be exactly similar to that of the iPhone 8, and just basically there is no like a bezel-less look towards it. But again, many guys are even okay with that because they really like the home button. So overall, the design is going to be good. But now here things start to get pretty interesting, and that is the side. Okay, the side of iPhone 8 is made up of aluminium, but in the latest reports it is confirmed that the sides of the iPhone 9 are going to be made of stainless steel. Okay, the premium version, okay, the latest flagship level smartphones or iPhones by Apple are made with the stainless steel border, and Apple is implementing this premium finish on a budget friendly smartphone. And I really want to say like it is going to be having a back option. Okay, it is going to be a glossy back, but if you will implement the overall stainless steel body or the stainless steel frame, that will give this iPhone a premium look. So guys, now let me come towards the pricing and the storage variant. So guys, there are going to be two storage variants with this smartphone, from which the first storage variant is going to be of 64 GB ROM and 3 GB of RAM, and the second storage variant is going to be with 128 GB internal storage and 3 GB of RAM. And this all, the base model is going to be for $399, while the second model is expected to be for $449 or $499. But I personally see like the Apple will introduce this second model for the price tag of $499. And now let me come towards the India pricing. Well, the India pricing of the iPhone 9 32 GB variant is going to be somewhere around 35,000 Indian rupees, and that of the iPhone 9 with 120 GB 128 GB RAM is going to be somewhere about 40,000 to 42,000 Indian rupees. And now let me come to the overall factor, and that is this smartphone worth buying? And let me tell you, like I have made so many videos regarding this smartphone, and the thing that really I am liking, and that is you're going to be getting a premium experience. Like out of the box you're going to be getting a great premium outlook. The phone is going to be made up of stainless steel body. Overall there is going to be a glass finish with this smartphone. There is going to be a 12 megapixel 3D depth sensing camera. Again, the storage variant is going to be 64 GB for the base model, and overall you're going to be getting the latest iOS version and the latest A13 Bionic chip. So guys, considering all of the specifications and all of the things that this smartphone offers, this smartphone is a definite buy. So guys, now the final thing, and that is when is this smartphone coming? Well guys, Apple is going to be launching this iPhone 9 in the month of March. Okay, in the second week or even in the last week of March itself, Apple is going to be launching this iPhone. And overall, let me tell you, like this is coming very close. Like we are already in like the starting of January, and now just after 2 months we are going to be seeing this iPhone. And again, the production of this smartphone or the mass production of the iPhone 9 is going to be starting in the month of February. So we are going to be seeing lots of news regarding it. So if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel as it motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. And guys, hope you have liked today's video.